Playing football.
Where are you playing here? In,
BGC.
BGC, there's a play,
Yeah,
open field.
Yeah. But the place was in Bridgetown.
Yeah.
In Pasig.
Pasig.
Yeah, we was playing and then was running. I just do movement on my legs. Then is this one.
This one.
Yeah. It just
Move.
inside. And then it was very big. I was putting ice to wait it to go down, but I'm still little bit painful inside.
Yeah.
I'm going like this.
Same. This one still pain. This one still have a problem.
No,
Same.
not this one.
It's still the same.
It's still the same. This one we don't have anything, but
Oh,
only this one. Yeah.
Let me, okay, relax. That's crackling. So you're an African. How long have you been here?
2 years. I'm going 2 years. Yeah, we was playing. It was tournament.
Tournament.
Then
This one, this thing happened.
Yeah, it's this one.
More, huh? Diba? Soccer. Diba? Health. Okay? Seconds by seconds only. There he is. Twisted. Twisted muscle. Okay, take a rest. Breathe in, breathe out. Ha. Okay, I play more. Play more. That means you have a twisted knee. No more na. No more na. It's more,
Yeah, more than that.
this one, diba? No more crackling. On your other side, it's crackling. Diba?
Yeah.
Yeah. Relax. Relax. Oh no, there's a spring. Back?
Yeah.
There's a spring. Oh! Relax. I will put it inside. Back?
Yeah.
Yun. Whoa! Oh! You're running like this? Belly hurting, di ba?
Yeah.
This one belly hurting. Yun. Okay. You can jump na. No more di ba? No more hurting on the knee. Because it's full of synovial fluid. No more na. Just in order to make them strong, by